Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel A to Z Creative, where we do arts and crafts from A to Z. I'm so excited to show to you our first DIY video this year, this giant ice cream. I made this for a Candyland themed birthday party 4 or 5 years ago. I wrote a blog post about it on our website, and since then I got many requests to create a video. So finally, here it is. First we'll make the cone. By the way, I used corrugated boxes to create this. This is the illustration of the foundation of the cone. You can also find these on our website, which I will be linking in the description box. For the top part of the cone, I cut 2 circles with a diameter of approximately 24 inches. For the top circle, I cut a hole in the center. In my first attempt to make this ice cream, I didn't cut a hole, but you'll see later why this made sense. Then you'll also need a rectangle about 75 inches wide and 5 inches tall. This will connect the 2 circles to form a cylinder, and another 2 thin rectangles to add details, which is about 75 inches long and half an inch wide. For the second part of the cone, you'll need 3 different sizes of circles, 10, 15, and 20 inches in diameter. And then you also need 25 strips of rectangles and cardboard to connect the 3 circles. Make sure that the center of the circles are aligned, otherwise your cone looks topsy-turvy like mine. Cover the cone with construction paper. I ended up wrapping it with brown paper, which is not sturdy enough, but it works out though. Then to add that textured effect of an ice cream cone, I lined strings on the body of the cone using hot glue. And now for the ice cream. I blow up a 24-inch balloon. It's big enough to cover the top of the cone, then place it securely in the hole. Now for the fun part. Well, actually, the messy part. We are doing here the paper mache technique. For the paper mache solution, we are using here equal parts of water and flour and add a pinch of salt. Then we have to cover the ice cream and cone from top to bottom with strips of newspaper. Do it repetitively about 3 layers. And let it dry completely. To add texture effect in the ice cream, I grinded the newspaper, then mixed about 1 cup of the grinded newspaper, 1 cup of flour, and 1 cup of water to form a paste, and randomly put it on top of the ice cream. I first applied 2 coats of paint to the cone. I'm using here a Butone brand of paint. I'm sorry I forgot the shades, but you can go to the hardware and pick a shade that is close to the real ice cream cone color. For the melting effect on the side of the ice cream, spray some insulating spray foam and let it dry completely. Paint the ice cream with your desired color. I painted it with purple since it's the only available color that we have, and we like purple yum flavor ice cream. How about you? Let me know in the comment below what's your favorite ice cream. I added a dark purple to add depth and emphasize the texture of the ice cream. Overall, I love how it turned out. Now connect the top part and the bottom parts of the ice cream using a hot glue. You can also add another scoop of ice cream. To add more decorations, drip some brown acrylic paint to get that chocolate drippings on ice cream and sprinkle it with colored bits. If you will make this DIY, please post it on social media and don't forget to tag us at A to Z Creative. We'd love to see it. We also made giant lollipops. Check the link above for the video tutorial. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you on our next DIY project.